Okay, someone is gonna get really cold now. You okay? Yo, what's up guys? Welcome to a new video. I know it's been a while, but mostly because it's too fucking cold outside. But today we're going on a trip. We're gonna walk a canyon, which we normally do at night, but since we can't make a video in this weather, we're just gonna do it now. So enjoy! So right now we're on our way to the canyon, and we're walking through about 40 centimeters of snow now. It's probably gonna get worse, but you gotta do something if you want to see some frozen waterfalls, so keep watching. Somebody's wet already. We just started about 10 minutes ago, so good start. So right now we just arrived in the canyon, and check this out guys, it's beautiful. I hope we find some waterfalls soon though. Look at this guys, this is a completely naturally frozen waterfall, and during the winter they use this for ice climbing, and the fun thing about that is that it changes every year, it's never the same, so the routes are always changing and it's a new challenge every time. Pretty cool. Pretty cool guys, check this out. See if I can take one out. That's a big fucking icicle. Time to put it in a cocktail. Yeah, I definitely want to go climbing here this winter. For sure, it's a little bit expensive, but it's definitely worth it. Alright guys, we still got some distance to go, but it's getting dark, so I guess it's time to say goodbye now. We're gonna finish our walk, guess we're almost there, and see you next time. Thanks for watching. Ciao.